Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. My 10-year-old son loves Pokemon, and right now he's on a mission to catch them all in the game of Pokemon Sword. This is a role-playing game in which you're on a quest as a young trainer to catch Pokemon and win battles against other trainers. It has a lot of similarities to the cartoon. That's one thing he really enjoys about it because he's watched all the Pokemon series. So this has enabled him to be his own trainer and create his own virtual world of collecting Pokemon. There's a few different play elements. He can defeat opposing Pokemon in turn-based battles. When he does this, it allows his trainer to gain experience, level up. You'll increase battle statistics, learn new techniques, and sometimes he can even evolve into a more powerful Pokemon. He can also capture wild Pokemon during encounters, as well as battle and trade with other online Pokemon trainers. Just so you're aware, not all Pokemon are available in Pokemon Sword, but what's really cool is that if he plays with others online that have the sister game Pokemon Shield, you can trade online with those players and gain different Pokemon that you can't catch within the game itself. It's a lot of fun. It's exciting because you don't know what Pokemon you might encounter or what trade you might make. So he has thoroughly enjoyed his quest to becoming a Pokemon master. And that's our point of view.